Hi everybody, welcome. So glad you could join me today. I come to you from the floor because I have a BarkBox unboxing for you today. Maybe that's a better angle, BarkBox. So the pups are going to figure out what's going on here shortly. Xena's awake and joining us, which is huge, right? You're here today, huh? You're in the mood to join us today? Yes, Wyatt's here too. Wyatt, can you say hi? He's here. Can you say hi? You'll see him shortly once he realizes what's going on. So BarkBox is a subscription box for puppies, right? This is their favorite unboxing. Xena wants to oh, yes. See, it's their favorite unboxing because it has only... Did you hear Xena just burp? She is like the queen of the burps. So can you say excuse me? Tell everybody excuse me, Xena. She never apologizes for her burps. Okay. They're getting rowdy and they haven't even seen what we're doing yet. Okay. I'm losing control of this video quite quickly. I'm sorry, everybody. BarkBox, subscription box for doggies, treats and toys, and we better get this show on the road. So, the cost is based on the size of your dog. So ours, for my dogs, which are under 20 pounds, it's $20 a month. So I will put my referral link down below if you guys would like to give it a try. It comes once a month on a regular schedule, and yeah, it always comes with at least 2 toys, and there's usually 2 bags of treats and usually something else. They're going to knock the camera over. All right, let's get to this. So what do you guys think is in here? What's in here? Are you excited? You guys are getting too familiar with this now. So, okay, here's the inside of the box. They're so excited. I think they're starting to know what BarkBox is about. Okay. Let's see what's in here. Stop. Okay. So there's always a theme, and this one looks like it is a candy theme. Dogs can't eat chocolate, so give them a box of treats and toys instead. Isn't that cute? So, Wyatt's already got something out of the box. What is it? Wait. So this is what he's playing with. It's in plastic, and it says, Jones Natural Chews, Rocky Rollers, Soft Chicken Blend Sausage. And this is a chicken flavoring. Okay, so he's found a toy now. Wyatt's going to do his own unboxing for you guys. I have lost complete control of this video. I'm so sorry. So... next up is a toy. This is super cute. It's got a speaker. I'll try to show it to you later. Okay. Return of the Night of the Ghost Squirrels, Children of the Acorn 2. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, these are the different toys. Okay, so this is the toy that he's playing with right now. So this is a ghost theme box of toys. So he's coming, okay. I was going to show you, but he caught me. All right, what's in here, Xena? What else is in here? So it's oh, there's a ghost squirrel finder. Did you look through that, Xena? What do you see? Everything's kind of red. Wyatt, what do you see when you look through here? What do you see? Oh. Okay, Wyatt is so excited, and Xena is just patiently waiting for treats. Okay. The first bag, and Wyatt hasn't found the second toy that's hidden in that box, so watch him. Oh, he found it. He found it. It's out. The first bag of treats is called the Snackening. Is that not funny? The Snackening. So this is a Halloween themed box, right? So first the treats and now all the ghost-related stuff. The Snackening. Bacon and pumpkin dog treats. And Xena wants this bag badly. This is drool on the floor, dogs appearing out of nowhere. It must be the snack ring. This is so cute. Wheat-free, corn-free, soy-free, grain-free. Always made in the USA. This is awesome. You've been so patient. Do you want one of these? You're so patient, Xena. You're such a good girl. And Wyatt's like a wild dog, isn't he? He's fat. Oh, look how tiny these are. And you guys, look how tiny these little treats are. Here, there you go. All right, that's the first one. First bag of treats. And I did show you this one already that Wyatt kind of got out and was playing around with. And this is the second bag of treats, also called the Snackening. These are beef and turkey dog treats. Wheat-free, corn-free, soy-free, and again, made in the USA. So one's bacon and pumpkin, and one's beef and turkey. You guys can't see this, but Wyatt just tried to get a treat, and Xena is biting him. Can you see that? She's like, get out of here. Look at these two. Okay, so I think they liked this BarkBox. Here was the other toy. Is that not cute? Wyatt likes it. So I have to tell you guys, this BarkBox has been a huge success. My dogs love, love, love BarkBox, as you can see. One is all about the treats. The other is all about toys. I think you guys figured that out, which one goes which way. So if you'd like to give BarkBox a try, I will put the information down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up and give us a like. Hit that subscribe button and show us some support. Would love that. If you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. Everyone have a great day. Till next time. Bye, everyone.